Hi everyone, my name is Caroline King with Cinema Life. Today we are going to learn how to make a project poster in Canva. Project posters are incredibly important, and these can be used for your film, whether it's a feature or a short film, for a play, a screenplay, whatever creative venture that you're working on, a poster is pretty much required. And it's also the first impression of your project, so you definitely want to get this done. If you're not already signed up for Canva, you can do so in the link below this video. Personally, I love the paid version of Canva, but the free version is really wonderful. The paid version just has some other really great added features that aren't available in the unpaid version. If you wanted to splash out for it, great. If not, no big deal. So let's go ahead and pull up Canva. This is our company, Canva with Cinema Life. You can see some lovely designs that we've been working on. We love creating new content. So what we're gonna do today is I'm going to teach you how to make this film poster. And this can be a template for either a film poster, a play, a screenplay, really anything that you can think of. So what we'll do here is we'll start at the beginning. So you're gonna go up here to Canva, create a design, and we're going to go to Portrait, Poster. Here we go, we've got a pretty blank slate. So as far as photos go, I like to use, sometimes you can use stock photography. You want to try to avoid it if you can. It's not the worst thing in the world, but you know, if you can do your own photo shoot, that's great. If not, no big deal. Just go ahead and use stock photography. No one's gonna really care. So go up here and align it with the entire page. Looks very nice. It's a beautiful picture. There we go. Lovely. We've got this lovely path right here. And now we're going to start adding our text. So I'm going to add a text box. Pretty basic. And I want to change the font. Let's go to this one. This one's really pretty. So I'm going to put here, and this is a fake poster for a fake film. Let's name this The Path Less Traveled. Very poetic. And so we're gonna blow this up, make it look really nice. I just really like this font. And there's a huge array of different fonts, different choices. So there's a lot of options that you can make here. There's also these really cool preset fonts. Now, if you see a crown next to anything, that means it's with the paid subscription. So they have a lot of free options if it doesn't have a crown next to it, like this one's really cool. This one, but yes, if it does have the crown, that is the paid subscription. That's why I think it is slightly worth it. Okay, The Path Less Traveled. And then let's do another text box. There we go. Just make it a little bit smaller, and then we'll just say a Cinema Life film. This is just an extra detail. You can really put anything there that you want. You can, put your production company, anything like that. Now, and really you want to make sure that you finagle it so that way it's well seen. So you don't want it to be like, if I put it here, you're like, what does that say? But yeah, you go over here, it's like, oh, cool, Cinema Life film. Great. Now let's add another text box just to add more detail. I don't know why it makes it super small, but here we go. I want to change the font on this. I want it to be a different font. I really like this font. There we go. And then let's do our log line. The path you take determines the friends you make. It's a good log line. Again, this is a fake film, but I mean, it's already turning up into something that I would absolutely watch. You can have fun with these. So let's go ahead and move this text box again so we can see it a little bit better. There we go. There we go. Perfect. So there we go. That's a really great start. So now we'll add another text box up here. And let's add our actors' names. This is really fun. We'll go back to choose our different font. So our actors. And then if you don't have any actors, say you're in the screenplay phase, no big deal. You can just put written by and you can change it around. But this is just to show an example. Let's do Caroline King. That's me. I am really an actor, so this is fun. Oops. See, sometimes you have to, that's why I recommend playing around with it. There's a lot that you can do. There we go. I'm going to delete that. I'm going to start over. Okay, let's add another text box, and this is going to be for, we'll put our actors up here. So we'll enlarge this just a bit, change our text, change the font. Let's make it a little bigger. There we go. Make it a little bit more centered. And then let's do Caroline King. It's a great name. It's my name. All right, so to copy this format, say we have another actor, and then really the ones that you're going to feature are going to be key cast up here. So key cast are your leads, and then let's say Marissa Hollett. This is not a real person. It's not a real person. If you know someone named this, what a coincidence. But this is not a real person. Oops. And you want to make it centered. Canva has these really great tools where you can see like, yep, that's a lot more centered. Looks much better. And then, what should we call this person? David Brown. And again, not a real person. If you know someone with that name, it's a great coincidence. So here we go. This basic film poster, pretty basic. Looks good so far. You know, it's you know, this picture has to do with the title. It's intriguing. It looks like something I would want to watch. Once you get to the point where you're winning film festivals or you're being selected to them, any laurels that you have, you definitely want to add them. So to do this, you can upload them. You'll go to upload files and then choose your laurel. Here we go. And it uploads it right here. Ooh, big deal film festival. Wow, that's a big deal. That's a fake film festival. I made it up for learning purposes. And you can put it right here. You can move it around wherever you think looks good. Maybe you want to do it down here to leave space for this. And then, you know, there's a lot of different options here. So again, here we go. And then you want to leave space so you have room to put more laurels should you get into more film festivals, which you definitely will. So you've got two different texts, you've got some good visuals, a good picture. This is a great film poster, and there's a lot of different options. There's no one way to do a film poster. Canva makes it super easy. That's why I really love this program. There's other programs out there for sure. I just personally, I just think Canva's the best. So let's do this. Say you want to like shout yourself out. You should always do that. Okay, so we'll go here. Just put directed by Caroline King. Let's do that. You know, say you want to do that. Make it as big as you want, little as you want, or say it's just a screenplay written by Caroline King. So these are the different options that you have. Again, if it's a screenplay and you haven't cast anybody yet, then you're gonna, you know, you won't include the key cast or anything like that. But these are the different options when making a film poster. So play around with Canva. You can even go over here. This is such a great cheat. You can just go right here and search film poster. Oh, what? Look at that. These are some really great film posters, and you can use these as templates. I don't recommend using these as your exact poster. There might be some licensing issues, but you can definitely use this as a great template to get started. It just makes your life easier. By all means, work smarter, not harder. That's what we believe. But yeah, go out there, make yourself a great poster, and we can't wait to see your project.